Hi, my name is Justin Nairur. I'm a student at New England College. I am completing my master's in business analytics and data science. This is my second semester. I am recording this video to give you a description on the things I've learned currently at New England College while I've been here at my second semester. I was involved in two courses during this period. One of those courses is which is the Python course. It's an introduction course to Python, which I found very helpful. I already know Python, but it's good to like have a revision on the same language. One of the most interesting topics I found over here was using numpys and pandas. Uh, these are some of the libraries in Python that are heavily used for data analysis nowadays, and I really found it important to like actually learn the advantages and disadvantages of using them. Also, another interesting topic was object-oriented programming in Python, which I found to be very useful. Um, it's one of the most key concepts in any programming language you learn, and to learn it in Python is just another achievement. Um, i i hope to use these skills in the future. I hope to uh, plan to use Python for my future, maybe technical interviews or uh, you know different kind of projects that I plan to implement maybe. But this course gave me a very good understanding of the core concepts of Python, like involving data retrieval from a database or from a file and writing, etc. The second course I was involved in was statistical learning. Statistical learning was a really important course, I feel. It laid the foundations for machine learning algorithms that I feel we are going to use in the future courses. Um, I kind of got interested into this course. I went in depth into each and every concept that was taught in each week. I wanted to dig deep into the mathematical concepts of these models, these predictive models that we are applying to, large data sets, large sparse data sets, and to come out with some insights and make a prediction or recommend some of our insights to the product owners of the company. It was a really good experience, like working on a live project, picking up a data set from Kaggle and doing exploratory data analysis and then making predictive models on this data. Uh, it's an extensive process, but I also see scientist's job through these projects and daily, weekly assignments. So it kind of gives me a little bit of light to what a data scientist is doing at work. And since I'm a software developer pursuing this career in data science, um I feel it is really important to like be involved in more projects, in more projects that are related to this. You know, be more confident at an interview when I'm applying for a job for data science. The other thing from much more well aware as I dig deep into the positions that I'm looking for. I'm much well aware of what kind of job I'm going into and what's going to be involved, what are the technical expertise that are required. And I feel that during this 3 months period, I've gained a significant knowledge in like Python and R, and these seem to be two of the major languages around for machine learning and deep learning nowadays. And I plan to use these further. I've learned a lot of models like random forest, gradient boosting, SVM, support vector machines, neural networks, recurrent neural networks, time series, and these all will prove necessary, like a very imperative topics later on in the future as I deal with more projects. um, Finally, I learned a lot from the residency as well this year. This semester, we learned a lot about large language models, like what's used to make GPT, and that was really interesting to know on how GPT has evolved over this process. And every time we step into the residency period, we always turn out learning something new, and that's really nice uh, takeaway from that. um, that's all from my side. That's all the experience I gained for now, and I really feel confident, like start applying for some jobs which are more data related and showing off some projects that I've done over this semesters. Thank you.